Pasha, and today in this session we will solve the problems of exercise 6.3 of algebraic expression sign identities. Students, let us solve the first problem. Okay, so here what they have given: carry out the multiplications of expressions of each of the following pairs. Okay, so students, in this way we have to find the product of the pairs. Okay, so here they have given one polynomial and other as binomial. Okay, so in these two pairs, what is there? One monomial has been given and one binomial has been given. And what we need to find? We need to find the product of these pairs. So let us start with the first one. Okay, so what they have given: 4p comma q plus r. So this is a monomial and this is a binomial. Why? Because one term, two terms. Okay, so first write 4p into q plus r. Okay, so 4p, bracket indicates what? Multiplication. You can write multiplication sign or you can just put these in brackets. Why? Because bracket indicates multiplication sign. Now, as I told you earlier, in this case, first we need to multiply this term with q, next we need to multiply this term with r. Okay, now 4p into q, 4p into q, here plus is there, no? So write plus. Okay, now 4p with this r, 4p into r. Okay, so 4p into q plus 4p into r. Now students, as we have seen in previous sessions, we can rewrite this like 4 into p into q. We can rewrite it, but you can direct multiply it. Okay, so you can multiply this one directly. So here nothing is there, means 1 will be there, no? So 4 ones are 4. Here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 4 ones are 4. P into q will be pq. Okay, p into q will be pq, and here plus is there, so write plus. Okay, now here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4, and p into r is what? pr. Okay, so p into r is what? pr. So this is a solution for the first problem. Students, now let's see second one. Okay, so here what they have given: a comma a minus b. So here write it like this, bracket. Okay, so don't confuse. So here we need to find the multiplications, but you have not written the multiplication sign. Why is it so? Means so you can write it, or I have told you that this bracket indicates what? Multiplication. Okay, so operation. Now students, here ab into a minus b. So now we need to multiply this ab with a. Next we need to multiply this ab with b. Okay, now ab into a. ab into a. Here minus is there, no? So write minus. Next ab with b. ab into b. Okay, so here ab into a minus, next ab into b. Okay, so here students, look at here. Here a is there, so here also a is there. So a into a is what? A square. Okay, and here b is there, no? So write b. Okay, a into a square. Here b is there, no? So write b. Next here minus is there, no? So write minus. Now here a is there, and here b is there, and here b is there. So write here a. Only a is there, no? So write. Next b into b is what? B square. B into b is what? B square. So this is the solution for the second problem. Okay, students, you cannot add this or subtract this. Why? Because these are the unlike terms. Okay, so this is a solution for the second problem. Students, now let's solve third one. Okay, so here what they have given: a plus b comma 7a square b square. Okay, now students, what we need to do? We need to write this term first. Okay, next this one in brackets. Okay, so remember, so whenever we are multiplying a monomial with a binomial, then binomial should be written in brackets. Okay, now here first we need to multiply this 7a square b square with a. Next we need to multiply this 7a square b square with b. Okay, and now look at here, 7a square b square with a. Okay, 7a square b square with a. Next here plus is there, no? So write plus. Next 7a square b square with b. 7a square b square with b. Okay, students. So here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 7 ones are 7. Okay. Here a square is there. So here a is there. So a square into a is what? A cube. Okay. And here there is no b, no. So here only is a b square. So write b square. Okay. So now we have multiplied this. Next here plus is there, no. So write plus. Okay. So here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 7 ones are 7. Okay. Over here a square is there. Here there is no a square. So write a square. Here b square is there. So here b is there. Okay. So b square into b is what? B to the power 3 or b cube. Okay. So this is the solution for the third problem. Students, now let's solve fourth question. Okay. So what they given? A square minus 9 comma 4a. Okay. So we need to find the product of these two. So here first write this one. Okay. So as I told you, first you should write monomial. Next, whenever binomial is given, so you have to write that in a bracket. Minus 9. Okay. Now we need to multiply 4a with a square. Okay. So here 4a into a square. The minus is there, so write minus. Next 4a with 9. 4a into 9. Okay. Now 4a into a square minus 4a into 9. So here nothing is there, means 1 will be there. So 4 ones are 4. Okay. Here a is there. Nothing is there, means 1 will be there. 8 to the power 1. So a into a square is equals to a cube. Okay. A into a square is what? A cube. Here minus is there. So write minus. Here 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. Here a is there and here no a. Okay. So here write a. So this is the solution for the fourth problem. Students, let us solve fifth question. Okay. So here what they have given? P cube plus QR plus RP comma 0. Okay. So here students, first write 0. Okay. This bracket indicates what? Multiplication, or else I will rewrite it. Okay. If you are getting confusion. Students, as I told you earlier, okay, so whenever we are multiplying any number with the 0, whether it is negative or positive, or it is a rational number or irrational number, so whenever we are multiplying any value with the 0, then we are getting always 0 as the answer. Okay, so here also 0 will be the solution for this problem. Students, let us solve second main. Okay, so here what they are given? Complete the table. Okay, so here they are given table. In this, what is that? First expression, second expression, and product. Okay, so here students, so they are given one monomial and a binomial. So what we need to do? We need to find the product of these pairs. Okay, so here let us solve the first question. So what is there? First expression is a and second expression is b plus c plus d. Okay, so we have written here. Now what we need to do? We need to find the product of these pairs. Okay, as I told you, first write monomial. Next you can write in bracket or you can put multiplication sign. Okay, now students, so here there is a multiplication of monomial with the trinomial. Okay, so look at here, trinomial. No, this is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms are there. So this is a trinomial. Okay, so now a into b. So first we need to multiply a with b, next a with c, and a with d. Okay, now a into b plus a into c, a into b, next a into c, next a into d. Okay, next a into d. A into b is what? AB. Plus a into c is what? AC. Plus a into d is what? AD. Okay, so this is a solution for the first problem. Okay, so we'll write there. Okay, so here what is there? AB plus AC plus AD. Okay, so this is a solution for the first problem. Students, now let's solve second one. Okay, what they given? The first expression is what? X plus y minus 5. This is a trinomial. Okay, and xy. Okay, so right here x plus y minus 5, and what is next? 5xy. Okay, so we need to find the product of these terms. Now right here first monomial. Okay, so here there's a multiplication of monomial with the trinomial. Okay, x plus y minus 5. Now students, we need to multiply the first term with the x, next this term with y, next this term with the 5. Okay, so here 5xy with the x, 5xy into x, so here plus is there, so write plus 5xy with the y, 5xy into y. Okay, 5xy into x, 5xy into y. Next here minus is there, so write minus. Next 5xy with the 5, 5xy with the 5. Okay, so here 5xy into x plus 5xy into y minus 5xy into 5. Okay, here nothing is there, means 1 will be there, so 5 ones are 5. So here x is there, so here x is there. X into x is what? X square. So here y, so here there is no y, so write y. Okay, so here plus is there, so write plus. Here if there is any, so here nothing is there, means 1 will be there, so 5 ones are 5. Here x is there, so here there is no x, so write x. Y into y is what? Y square. Okay, so y into y is what? Y square. Here minus is there, so write minus. Now 5 5s are 25, and here x is, and here xy is there, so here there is no xy. Okay, so write xy. Okay, so what we have got? 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Okay, so we will write it. That is 5x square y plus 5x y square minus 25xy. Okay, so this is the solution for second problem. Students, now let us solve the third one. Okay, so what is there? The first expression is p, and the second expression is what? 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Okay, so we'll find the product of these expressions. Okay, so here write first one, this is p, next 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Okay, so here first we need to multiply this p with 6p square, next with this p with 7p, and next with the 5. Okay, so here p into 6p square, here minus is there, so write minus. Next this p with 7p. Okay, here plus is there, so write plus. Next this p with 5. Okay, and now here nothing is there, 1 will be there. Okay, so 1 6 are 6. Here p is there, here p square is there, so p into p square is what? P to the power 3. Here minus is there, no, so put minus. Now nothing is there, means 1 will be there, so 1 7s are 7. Here p and here p. P into p is what? P square. Okay, so here plus is there, so write plus. P into 5 is what? 5p. Okay, so this is the solution for the third one. Okay, so here what is there? 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. Okay, so this is the solution for the third problem. Students, let us solve fourth question. Okay, so what they have given? 4p square q square and p square minus q square. Okay, so here we need to find the product of these pairs. Now right here 4p square q square bracket p square minus q square. Okay, so now 4 we need to multiply this term with the p square, that is 4p square q square into p square. 4p square q square into p square. Here minus is there, so write minus. Now 4p square q square into next this one q square. Okay, so multiply 4p square q square first with p square, next the 4p square q square with q square. Okay, here nothing is there, means 1 will be there, so 4 ones are 4. Here p square is there, so here also p square is there, so p square into p square will be p to the power 4. Here q square is there, so write q square. Here no q square, no, so write only this. Okay, next minus. Nothing is there, means 1 will be there. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. Next here p square is there, so here there is no p square, so write only p square. Okay, next q square into q square is what? Q to the power 4. Okay, so this is a solution for the fourth problem. So here we will write 4 p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square q to the power 4. Okay, so 4 p square, so 4 p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square q to the power 4. Okay, so this is the solution for the fourth problem. Students, let us solve fifth one. Okay, so what they have given? A plus B plus C and ABC. Okay, so here A plus B plus C and ABC. So first write this one, ABC bracket A plus B plus C. Okay, now we need to multiply first ABC with A, next ABC with B, next ABC with the C. Okay, so here ABC into A plus ABC into B plus ABC. Okay, ABC into C. Okay, now here is it. So here is it. A into is what? A square. Here B is it. So here there is no B. So write B and C. Okay, plus A, here no A. Okay, so write A. So here B and here B. B into B is what? B square. Here C is this. Here there is no C. So write C. Okay, plus A, B. Okay, so here only A, B is this. Here there is no any A, B. So write A and B. C into C is what? C square. Okay, so this is a solution for fifth problem. That is what? A square BC plus A B square C plus AB C square. Okay, so this is a solution for fifth problem. Students, now let's solve the problems from third main. Okay, so here what they are given? Find the product. So here they are given some of the terms, and what we need to do? We need to find the product of those terms. Okay, so now let us solve the first one. Okay, so here what they have given? A square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Okay, so now we'll rewrite it. A square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Okay, so students, you can multiply this one directly. You can multiply this one directly, like here nothing is there, means 1 is there, so 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Like in this case, you can multiply directly, or not to get confused, I will tell you in a simple way. Okay, so you can multiply, you can finish this problem from this step. Okay, up to this step you can finish this problem, but we'll solve to make you understand easier. Okay, so look at here. Here you can write like this. A square means 1 into A square into 2 means 2 into a to the power 22. Okay, so here 4a to the power 26 means 4 into a to the power 26. Okay, now you group numbers one side, 1 into 2 into 4, and variables one side, a to the power 2 into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Okay, now 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, into students. So as I told you, okay, so when you are multiplying the same number, same variable, so then their exponential power will be add up. Okay, so here a, so when we multiply a to the power 2 into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Okay, so what we are getting? Okay, so look at here, 2 plus 22 plus 26. Okay, so it now equals to 8 into, okay, so now 2 plus 22 is 24. Okay, next 24 plus 26 is what? 50. Okay, so 24 plus 22 is what? 50. So here we are getting 8 to the power 50. So when you multiply this, so what you are getting? 8 into 8 to the power 50 is the solution for this problem. Okay, students, now let us solve second question. Okay, so what they have given? 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Okay, so here first write like this. So 2 by 3 xy into, okay, so minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Okay, so we can put this in bracket. Now students, we will rewrite it. Okay, so here 2 by 3 into x into y. Okay, next into minus 9 by 10. You can put this in bracket. So into x square into y square. Okay, so what we have done, we have rewrite this. Okay, now students, what is the next step? We need to group numbers one side. Okay, so these are the numbers now. So group this 2 by 3 into, you can write like this, minus 9 by 10. So why I have written this in bracket means, so whenever you come across negative numbers, so okay, so you have to write those numbers in bracket. Next, so here x, y, z. Okay, next here x square and here y. Okay, now students, we will write this once again. Okay, so here 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Next, students, we will multiply this. Okay, so here x is there. Okay, so here x square. X into x square is what? X to the power 3. Okay, so here y is there and here y square is there. So y into y square is what? Y to the power 3. Okay, so here y to the power 3. Now students, look at here, we can cancel this. Okay, so here 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, as here there is a minus, so right here minus. So now 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then here 1 into minus 3 is what? Minus 3. 1 into 5 is what? 5. Okay, then write this one, x cube into y cube. Okay, so when we multiply this, what we are getting? Minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube is the solution for this problem. Okay, students, now let us solve the third question. Okay, so what they have given? Minus 10 by 3 p cube to the power 3 into 6 by 5 p cube cube. Okay, next we'll write this. Okay, so here minus 10 by 3 into p cube, write this in bracket. Now 6 by 5 to p cube cube. Okay, now students, we will rewrite it. Okay, so here minus 10 by 3 into p into q cube plus 6 by 5 into p cube into q. Okay, now group numbers one side. Okay, that is minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Okay, next p into q cube into p cube into q. Okay, so look at your students, what we have done. We have group numbers one side and variable one side. Now you can cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, as it is here minus, so write minus. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so here we have cancelled this one, and what we are getting? Minus 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4. Minus 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4 into, okay, everywhere 1 is there, no? Next, p into p cube will be p to the power 4 into q in q cube into q is what? Q to the power 4. Okay, so here we'll write this equals to minus 4 into p to the power 4 into q to the power 4 will be minus 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4. Okay, so this will be the solution for the third problem. Students, now let us solve fourth question. Okay, so what they have given? X into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Okay, so rewrite it, x into x square into x to the power 3 into x to the power 4. Okay, students, here nothing is in this, 1 will be there, no? So as I told you, so when we are multiplying the same variable, then their exponential power will be add up. Okay, so you can write like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so here 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. Okay, so here x to the power 10 will be the solution for this problem.